Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming more prevalent in the commercial world. It assists entrepreneurs with a variety of tasks, including data analysis, content creation, and marketing strategy development. As a result, it has become a popular method of saving money. However, because artificial intelligence is a relatively new technology, some people may find its implementation bewildering. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I subscribe below. Our team at Cash Summit Squad will personally respond to your comment. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about AI for beginners, making money online simplified. Now let's get started. Generate AI content. Monetizing content is a common technique to earn money online. The most popular approaches include inserting advertisements into your blog entries and publishing sponsored social media posts. To generate consistent revenue, you must write unique and compelling content on a regular basis. AI tools can improve the efficiency of your ideation, research, and drafting processes. For example, solutions like Jasper may create content in a variety of formats, such as a blog post, an Instagram caption, or a YouTube script. All you have to do is enter a descriptive question, and the program will generate the content for you. If you don't like it, Jasper can rebuild the content to your specifications. You can also incorporate visual elements into your blog entries using AI-generated art from services such as DALL-E. This is an excellent option for individuals who do not have the cash for a professional artist but require a simple illustration immediately. Remember, AI-generated material still requires human editing and review. Don't forget to fact-check your content to guarantee that your audience receives accurate and dependable information. Use AI for web design. Running your own website provides several options for creating revenue. Whether you want to sell products online, monetize content through online advertising, or join an affiliate program, a professional-looking website is a wonderful way to attract new audiences and customers online. With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, it is now easy to build your own website and make money from it, regardless of your technical knowledge. Many website builders feature AI-powered capabilities to make site creation considerably easier. For example, Hostinger Website Builder includes an AI heat map function that assists users in determining which portions of their websites capture the most visitors' interest. Create online courses using AI. Aside from establishing yourself as an expert in your profession, providing online courses is a great way to make money. AI tools can help you enhance how you present and market your lessons to attract more consumers. You can employ AI technologies to begin the market research step. For example, if you want to establish a coding school, you might use ChatGPT to learn about the finest programming languages and narrow down your target audience. Do freelance coding with AI. If you're interested in freelance coding, think about employing AI tools to streamline your workflow. ChatGPT, for example, builds its AI system on natural language processing, NLP, which may assist you with a variety of arduous coding jobs. NLP-based software is a useful tool for streamlining the time-consuming process of coding documentation. It can create documentation based on your comments or natural language descriptions of the code. You can also employ AI applications to assist you with research. Developers frequently need to search for code snippets or libraries to fix difficulties in their programs. Artificial intelligence makes it easier to acquire recommendations to solve the problem. Become an AI product affiliate. Joining an AI product affiliate program might be an excellent way to earn money. You can sell AI-related products and services such as machine learning software, data analytics, and cloud-based infrastructure solutions. Joining an affiliate program allows you to take advantage of current market trends and make money. You will have access to the company's useful resources, like marketing materials, customer service support, and even product discounts. These tools might help you optimize your promotional efforts and attract a larger audience. Create and market AI-powered products. Given the popularity of artificial intelligence solutions, it may be a good idea to create and market your own AI-powered products. However, AI software development is extremely hard and time-consuming. Fortunately, you do not have to develop machine learning algorithms from scratch. Instead, consider employing a Public Application Programming Interface (API). Each AI operates differently, and some APIs may require additional training data to improve their accuracy in specific use scenarios. The quantity of data required will vary depending on whatever API you use. As a result, it's always a good idea to study the API description and test the tool with your individual use case to see if you need any more training data. If you're finding this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for updates. Now, back to the topic. Provide an AI integration service. Machine learning and artificial intelligence automation services can be beneficial to a wide range of businesses, including retail, healthcare, and finance, among others. Providing artificial intelligence integration services to businesses is a good way to make money if you have a profound understanding of the technology. Additionally, artificial intelligence has the potential to enhance the business intelligence of an organization. As an illustration, companies that operate internet marketing efforts rely on having a solid grasp of the behavior of their clients. You have the ability to include the predictive analytics of artificial intelligence into the system in order to enhance customer, market, and trend recognition. Models of natural language processing could also be used by an agency to analyze consumer evaluations and feedback in order to detect recurring themes and feelings. By doing so, they will be able to design advertising material that addresses the particular requirements and problems that their target audience is experiencing. By utilizing machine learning, retail businesses have the ability to deliver artificial intelligence chatbots to their customer care channels. You have the ability to train the artificial intelligence to recognize keywords in client messages and deliver responses based on a database of frequently asked questions that has been predefined. Offer AI consulting services. Providing consulting services to larger businesses is yet another alternative way for an expert in artificial intelligence to generate income for themselves. Because artificial intelligence is still a relatively new technology, many companies are still unsure of how to make the most of its potential applications. It is necessary for you to have a comprehensive understanding of both the AI system and the business model of the client in order to accomplish this. To begin, determine what it is that your client would like to see improved. Conduct a more in-depth analysis of their existing systems, procedures, and difficulties in order to find areas in which the incorporation of AI could potentially add value. After that, you should create a proposal that elaborates on the AI integration services that you want to offer, the particular technology and techniques that you will employ, the timetable for execution, and the anticipated outcomes are all examples of what might be included here. The provision of AI consultation services has the potential to be a lucrative business venture if the appropriate knowledge, plan, and approach are utilized. Invest in AI-focused businesses or funds. Another alternative to creating your own business is to make an investment in a company that focuses on artificial intelligence. Numerous artificial intelligence AI firms are forming as a result of the growing popularity of AI, and in order to expand, these startups require finance. Investors have the potential to earn substantial profits over the course of time as artificial intelligence technologies become more widely used. In addition, these investments may provide the benefits of diversification, which may help reduce risk. Investing in businesses, on the other hand, is a complicated procedure that calls for in-depth knowledge of the market. Be sure to perform all of the necessary research before investing in artificial intelligence. Having artificial intelligence, AI, in a firm or product does not necessarily indicate that it will be a profitable way to make money. Make sure you take your time to examine the foundations of the business and the product. The exponential increase in artificial intelligence market trends makes it an ideal technique to make money. People from many industries and technical backgrounds can use AI-powered software to automate portions of their job processes, saving them both time and money. Beginners with limited technical knowledge of AI technology can use a variety of AI tools and platforms to assist with side projects such as content creation, website design, online course creation, freelance coding, and becoming AI product affiliates. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.